Okay, this is a Briggs Stratton. I believe it's 4.75 horsepower. Anyway, this is the carburetor that's on this. I took off the bowl. This is the bottom of it. It sits like this. This is a plastic carburetor. I took it off, and inside you have this jet. They usually get dirty and you can pop them out. You just pull it out. And see that little hole right here? You can kind of see it. That gets plugged. You can poke it and clean it. Same with down there. That other one over here on the right. Then you go in the middle. And then you go over on the left. This one was totally clogged on the left. You can still see it's kind of darkened. I cleaned it the best I could. Anyway, that just sits right back down in there, and at the same time I cleaned the little tiny holes in there. So let's kind of put this back this way. So you always got to remember when you take it apart which way it went. Take pictures. I'm pushing that in there. My palm. Okay. Then what you have is your needle. Here's your float. This is what tells it. You got your gasoline coming in here. This is your needle. That sits down in this hole and plugs it. It's got a little rubber end on it and it plugs that hole. So I got this upside down. So when you run in your motor, this float will start to drop because the gasoline in this bowl will get burned up. So when this opens, it lifts the needle to allow gas in. That's how that works. So I am going to try to put this back. See if I can set my phone down on my belly. And it slides right like that, and it just sits there. It slides just like that, and then you put it down in the hole carefully. Just like that. And then this thing just snaps into place. Some of them, the old ones I guess, actually had a hole where you slid it through. Alright, just make sure that it's snapped down in there. Just like that. Now I'll show you what I meant. See how it hangs down like that? When it hangs down like that, that needle opens up that hole and it fills up. And then when it fills up, it pushes it back in to close it. Just like that. Yep, goes this way, I believe. It's hard for me to do this with one hand. I don't have a tripod. Okay, let me see. Push down on it, whatever, but you get the picture. Push down on it and then you reinstall it. I cleaned it up the best I could.